Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something we've been anticipating for quite a while. Want to see what it is? Alright, so this is from Bite Me Foods. It's my favorite company name in the world. And this is their mouse treat box. So this is Disney-inspired treats, and this would be in direct competition with the one we did last Saturday. So we'll link that. It'll be on the screen at the end of the video if you want to watch that one as well. So head to head. That one is Disney inspired. This one is Disney inspired. The last one was $75 free shipping. This one cost me $64 free shipping. And we're going to compare them. Well, we're going to see what's in this one. I already did the other one. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so let's have a look. So I have a little bit of splaining to do on this one. So we were just on vacation for 10 days. This arrived the day we were leaving and I was unable to get it filmed. The good news is I got it before we left, so it wasn't sitting in a mailbox in 100-degree heat for 10 days. It was in our refrigerator for 10 days. But I'm not really sure how that's gonna, I guess we'll find out together. Ready? Alright, so let's see what we have here. First things first, I'm gonna put. Okay. I will put a copy of this up on the screen, boop, so you can take a look at it. Welcome to your Disneyland inspired Bite Me Foods mouse treat box. Let's see here. We hope your day just got a whole lot sweeter. I hope so too. Ingredient list is available on bitemefoods.com under Mouse Treat Box Additional Information. We hope you love your Mouse Treat Box. Each box is a surprise and is hand-picked just for you. Our Disneyland-inspired treats are all homemade. We encourage you to post a video or photo of you opening your box and your goodies on social media, Yelp, etc. We appreciate your support and your choice to support our locally owned business. We hope you love your Bite Me Foods experience. I can talk, I promise, it's coming. Our goal is to bring the magic and pixie dust of the Magic Kingdom to your doorstep and to make your day a whole lot sweeter. Thank you for keeping the Disney magic alive. Keep on wishing upon a star, and we hope you are living your happily ever after. Love Bite Me Foods, bitemefoods.com. And there's a bunch of little stickers all over it. And it's really glossy, almost like a photograph. Cool. Alright. Now, oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, it's coming. There it is. I got it. Okay. Ta-da! So, this is the actual box. I didn't know there was a separate one inside. The rest is just packing materials. So, let's try that again. You ready? You're gonna see it for the first time, just like me. I have to say, this is an exceptionally heavy box. So we got some stickers on here. Got my homie Mickey Mouse. And their company sticker. And Bunny and Duck. This feels like a cold pack. I'm assuming. It is. There's 2 cold packs in here. I was going to say, oh, they're still cold. Well, it's been in my fridge for 10 days. So the fridge is working. That's good. Alright. I've got a card. It says Chris. Please hold. Okay, so I've got a card. It's got Mickey on the outside. Very cute. All the different angry faces and surprised and all that stuff. Hi Chris, thank you for your order. I hope you love your mouse treat box. I love that we can share in our love for Disneyland together. I hope we are able to bring some park magic and pixie dust to your day. We love hearing our customers' feedback and look forward to hearing yours. Thank you for supporting our business I hope your day just got a whole lot sweeter. Alright, and then there's some business cards in here. That's a pretty smart move. And there's confetti in here. That's an even smarter move. This is such a heavy box. Alright, you guys ready for this? I am. I need some snacks. Oh, there's stickers just floating around here. I'm probably chucking them all over the house. Oh, there's more. Olaf. This was Sheriff Woody. Holy cow, this is this full. Alright. So, nothing. First things first, we have a Minion stress ball. So that's when I get the boxes I'm not happy with. I can just sit here and... Cool. Holy cow. Okay. So the last treat box, I was a little upset that the treats were kind of small. It's not happening here. My favorite, for all-time Disney snack, Jack-Jack-Nom-Nom cookies. Look at the size of that thing. It's even in the big Reese's kind of paper that goes, like the Reese's peanut butter cup paper. It says Jack-Jack-Nom-Noms, microwave 25 seconds, bite me foods. That looks amazing. I will put it in the photo box so you can take a look. Boop. Oh. Okay. That's a really good start. Oh, there's actually 2 of those. These treats are huge. That is so cool. Coming up next, we have a Rice Krispie treat covered in chocolate and M&Ms. It's big. It's really cold right now because it's been in my fridge for a while. So once it warms up a little bit, I'll see if it's softened up. But it's really pretty. Well, I'll put it in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. You can see there's chocolate drizzle on top of it even after they put the M&Ms on. And it definitely has that Disney feel to it. Now we have... Holy cow, look at the size of these things. So remember, this was $64 including shipping, free shipping. So this is a giant chocolate chip cookie with the ears dipped. And then it's got some little Mickey ear confettis. Very Disney. Photo box. Boop. This is looking really good. Alright. Now, holy cow. So we got an oatmeal cream pie in the other box. We actually got 2 of them. They weren't that big. Look at how big this thing is. Yeah. Photo box. This is making my day. Boop. Wow. I cannot wait to try these. This is Churro Toffee, so it's toffee covered in the dust from churros, it looks like. Oh my gosh. So, with the other box, there was one thing that looked Disney. It was the Rice Krispie treat. It was Mickey shaped. Everything else was just cookies. Although they had the macarons, and those are Disney just in their normal shape because Disney sells them. So I'll give them that credit. But this is everything. Well, I guess we'll find out. Did I photo box that? I didn't, did I? Boop. Churro Toffee. I like that it says what they are too. But of course I picked something up and it doesn't. But this is a cake pop, and it still is in the shape of a cake pop. And you can see it's decorated for Minnie. It's got her bow and her polka dots. Very festive. I will take it out of the package and throw it in the photo box so you can... Boop. Holy cow. What is that? I've heard other people that have eaten these, and I've heard good things. This is a churro marshmallow wand. And it's on a big wooden stick, but it looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry now. This is so cool. Check it out. Boop. That just keeps going. Alright. Next up we've got a Tigger Tail, inspired by, obviously, the Tigger Tails that you can buy in Disney. very heavy. I don't know what... I've never had one of those, so I don't quite know what it is. But I'll throw that on the photo box turntable so you can check it out. Man, I can't wait to eat all these. I know that the last video I said that we would do the taste rating and put it in the description. Well, like I said, when we were walking out the door, we just ran out of time. Everything was okay. I'm getting off track now, but it wasn't anything to write home about. It was okay. They were decent, and yeah. Sorry, I didn't get a chance to put that in there. All right, moving on. Another cake pop. Perfect shape, not a crack on it, and it's Mickey inspired. You can see his little buttons on his shorts. Boop. Check that out. Can't believe how good a shape everything's in. Alright, then we have just a sugar cookie, but it is decorated like Jack Skelington. Throw it on the photo box. Boop. We're not done yet. Now we have a normal sugar cookie. This is pretty similar to one that we got in the other box, but this one is probably twice the size at least. I'll throw that in the photo box. Boop. And then another Rice Krispie treat that is frosted with sprinkles on it. Holy cow. Photo box. Boop. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is just another cooling pack, but let's check it out. So it was a nice pack. It was a ton of insulated bubble wrap in this giant ice pack. So that's why everything looks so good. So, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and a stress ball. No stress here. I am really impressed. The sheer weight of everything and the size is, it's gotta be 3 times what was in that other box. I can't wait to eat all this. But I'm not gonna sit here and eat it in front of you. I'm gonna go enjoy it with my family. This time, I will put a rating down in the description. It's gonna happen. So check down there for that. If you want to take a look at the other video from Mouse Marketplace from their treat box that we just did, put the video right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, which we would really appreciate, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.